Welcome to the April 2016 issue of What's Up in Paris. This monthly magazine is dedicated to everything you need to experience, see, listen to and do in Paris. So stay with us and let What's Up in Paris offer you a selection of the key happenings in April 2016. Enjoy an afternoon of real excitement from 12:15 p.m. on Sunday the 17th of April 2016. Just a year away from the World Championships, come to the Accor Hotel Arena for an ice hockey match between France and Denmark. To book seats, accorhotelarena.com. Take time out during the spring holiday to spend a day of fun and discovery with your children. Take them to the Paris Zoo. Now's the time when the babies are born, and so you can meet the zoo's young new inhabitants. They'll be there from mid-April, including the Chilean puma, manatee and Grievous zebra. For further information about the park, go to parczoologiquedeparis.fr. If you're a contemporary art lover, go and see the Art Paris Art Fair, which is returning to the Grand Palais from the 31st of March to the 3rd of April 2016. The programme includes works by talented young artists, exhibited by 143 galleries from 20 different countries. This year's guest of honour is South Korea. Further information, artparis.com/fr. Urban art has become an artistic, economic and societal phenomenon, so go to the Carreau du Temple from the 22nd to the 24th of April 2016 to find out more about this new form of culture in the company of 30 specialist international galleries and see the work of leading artists from the movement of this first event, known as the Urban Art Fair. For further information, carreaudutemple.eu. Listen, on the 21st of April you can attend the only concert given by Mariah Carey, international superstar and diva of divas. She'll be on tour in Europe for the first time in 13 years with Sweet Fantasy Tour. So book your seats now and head for the Accor Hotels Arena Paris. Tickets, billetterie.accorhotelarena.com. For the pleasure of your eyes and ears, go to the Château de Versailles to see the Bergerac Ballet Lucin dance, an evening for ballet that inspires dreams of travel and develop through variations, parallels and mirrors. The programme includes Le Monde with Piaf by Maurice Béjart, Tombes dans la Derrière Pluie by Gilles Roman and The Miraculous Mandarin, composed by Bella Bartok. For further information, Château Versailles, spectacle.fr. Rock fans take a trip to the 70s and be the first to see the exhibition dedicated to the Velvet Underground, which is celebrating its 50th year. The group, formed by John Cale and Lou Reed, only played from 1965 to 1970, but marked an entire generation. So go and find out its full story at the Paris Philharmonia from the 30th of March as you hum Sunday morning. For further information, go to philharmoniedeparis.fr. Have some fun with the children this spring holiday. Take them to the Parc Asterix. Of the 39 attractions on offer in the land of the Gauls, don't miss the very latest from the 2nd of April, Disco Blex. A chance for children and adults to try the discus throwing test, helped by Obelix, and immerse themselves in the world of the album Asterix at the Olympic Games. To prepare your visit, parcasterix.fr. Have a great April. We'll be back on the 1st of May with a sprig of Lily of the Valley.